Hi, welcome to this lesson, Docker Fundamentals by Pact Publishing. I am Sri Prakash Neelakantan, the author of this course. I have around 40 years of experience in hardware and software, of which last several years have been spent in server and related automation. I have Amazon AWS certification, including the AWS DevOps Engineer Professional. I'll be along with you throughout this course. You can contact me at sri@shogini.com. Okay, let's have a look at what this course has in store for us. This course is tailored for a beginner wanting to start using Docker. I will also explain how Docker can simplify DevOps automation wherever applicable. Let's look at the overall structure of the Docker Fundamentals lesson. In the first module, we will introduce Docker and see the first Hello World example. Then move on to Docker installation and more Hello World examples of various platforms. This is covered in section 1. Next module we will see the architecture of Docker and the major components like Docker registry, Docker containers, etc. These are covered in section 2, 3 and 4. Next module, Docker container, goes deeper into Docker containers, its management and data usage. These are covered in section 5, 6 and 7. Next is Dockerfile and Docker image module. Here we will see how to customize Docker images using Dockerfile, upload images to the registry, and Dockerfile best practices. Last module will have a quick recap of everything we have learned and a handy cheat sheet for your quick reference. This course is ideal for system architects, system administrators, developers, programmers, development teams, DevOps engineers, operations engineers, release managers, and anyone who is interested in learning Docker. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin the journey together. I hope you'll enjoy the ride.